Hello everybody and welcome back to another vehicle related video here on my channel. Today we are going to keep this video hopefully short and sweet and simple. Same with the intro because that is not why you are here. For our anniversary, my husband's been gone on a month-long trip with the Thunderbirds and he's about to come home in a couple of days, and I ordered off of Fiesta a carbon fiber shift knob for Ford Focus ST. My husband has a 2013 Ford Focus ST, and I do believe across the board, technically any Fiesta or Focus and then maybe other manuals, you can do the same tutorial. We are just going to switch the shift knobs from stock to the nice new one and surprise him. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. Alright, like I said, we are going to be replacing the stock shift knob, and the first thing you want to do is break this loose. And I already went ahead and did this because I thought it was going to be really hard. Honestly, it was not as hard as I was expecting. I just had it in first gear and then I just cranked it counterclockwise, and now we just remove it. Some shift knobs apparently have spacers on the inside. Unless if this one comes already attached, I did not have to put one in. We will be keeping this spring, so do not throw that away, do not lose that. I have a couple tips. Best way to put it on, it usually will take 5 turns, and if you're struggling, you can put masking tape around it and then use like a wrench. So we are just going to place it on there and clockwise turn it. So I will come back when it's on there straight. 5 turns was actually a really good tip for putting on this specific shift knob. The next thing that you're going to want to do is just go through the gears real fast, and most importantly, make sure to hit reverse to make sure that you can still get into reverse. And there you have it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you were curious, I can have the shift knob linked down in the description from Fiesta. Be sure to check out any other vehicle related videos I do have up on my channel, and God bless.